We're going on a tramway ferry to get to Roosevelt Island. The kids were like, go, go, go. Now they're walking super slow. You can pay for the tramway ferry with the Metro card of New York City. On this air trolley, it was so crowded because it was high season. During the summer, so many tourists come to New York to visit. A few of the kids were afraid of heights, and even Maddie, who was helping me, was afraid of heights. When we got off the air trolley, we ran to the bus to take the bus to Starbucks because the kids love Starbucks. I wanted to go to this juice place next door, but their machine was always down. So that was the day.